Us divine beings basically have the same purpose, and it's these three things: to relinquish the ego, to awaken to what we truly are, and to transcend into higher planes of consciousness. So, how do we relinquish the ego? Well, first of all, you have to know that the ego, the egotistical program mind, is just that. It's just a programming, a belief in separation from the divine, from source, from God, and it's a belief that we are guilty. And so, therefore, since it's just an idea, it's just a belief, it can be undone, it can be relinquished, but you have to practice an awareness of it. When it's speaking, it's negativity, it's doubts, it's worries, it's fears. And you have to speak truth to it in order to dissolve it. That means also you have to every morning get up early and write out what's bothering you, write out how it's affecting you, tap into your inner guidance. We all have an inner guidance. When the separation in our mind took place, the illusion of a separation, we were endowed with this inner guidance. You can call it Holy Spirit or conscience or intuition, but it's your inner guidance. Ask the inner guidance the truth about the thing that is bothering you. And the ego always speaks first. It's a programming, a subconscious programming. So it speaks the first. Throw out its thoughts, tap in again, and ask for the truth again about that thing that is bothering you. So that's number one. That's how to relinquish the ego. And as you keep doing this, you start awakening to what you truly are, that you are not this human avatar. You are not this character in this dream or this matrix. And you start realizing that this world is an illusion, and you start becoming more empowered and peaceful and helpful to others, and you start experiencing healing and abundance in your life. And that is moving from relinquishment to awakening. Now you're moving into transcendence. Transcendence is all about gratitude. You're like, oh my gosh, I'm so incredibly happy that I was guided to relinquishing the ego and awakening, and I know who I am. And you start turning that gratitude to source, to God, and you start wanting to spend your time with God in meditation and just pouring out your heart of gratitude, and you start commending your spirit to God, relinquishing the control over your human avatar, and you give it to the divine, and you start developing like a deep love and loyalty to God, to the divine, to source. And that is when we transcend into higher planes of consciousness. So there you have it. There is our purpose. We need to relinquish the ego, awaken to what we are, and transcend into higher planes of consciousness.